My name is Ansley Malloy. I'm an ocean engineering major and I'm working on the Naval architecture project for ocean engineering senior design. I started working at the hydromechanics and naval architecture lab on campus with Dr. Hunsucker, and they got a ship model from Carderock, a naval engineering center basically that works a lot in ship design. When the model came, I was helping out with some things around the lab and I really wanted to get involved in the project. They wanted a stabilization system for the ship. So we decided on going with a gyroscopic stabilization system. It's basically a flywheel that spins around, creates a torque, and that counteracts the torque of the ship roll. Our end goal is to test it on the actual model and prove that it actually does reduce the rolling motion of the ship model. And ultimately, it should be able to be easily put into the model and used for somewhat of a long-term use for whatever they need it for as they continue developing the model project. When I was deciding to come here, I was very conflicted on whether it was worth coming here for ocean engineering, but I would say, for me, I knew that I was really passionate about it and it made coming here worth it. So I'd say if you know that that's what you want to do, then go ahead and do it because, I mean, personally, I think it's the best department on campus. I'm a little biased, but I think that the people here and the opportunities are like one of the best you can have. So I'd say go for it.